Preston Baker helped me immensely, because when we were looking to move, we really didn't know who to go to, and so once we went to them, everything started to take off very quickly. They had the property launch. Everything was taken care of very easily, without us having to do viewings, without us having to get into negotiations. They did everything for us. They were always there. They were so easy to get hold of. The property launch was just incredible, because it took all the worry away from us. My main point of contact was Chris Clegg, who was absolutely wonderful, always there whenever I needed him. And if he wasn't available at that specific time, he'd call me back within a few minutes.